YouTube? I got another pickup. Today I got some 2002 Bugs Bunny 8s. Not the CDP pack, but the 2008 pair. As you can see, these shits are beat the fuck up. But I will be fixing these starting tonight and tomorrow. All this can be repainted, the whole midsole and the bottoms. And the whole shoe's gonna be cleaned, repainted, and this is gonna be cleaned also. Got these for $40 from a homeboy. I've already started to work on one pair. I just need to do the gray. It was a tag. It was a size 9.5. Let me show y'all quick comparison. As you can see, it's already turning out better. Types of paint I'm using for the red. I will be using this. Picked this up at Walmart. Folksart acrylic paint for the red. The other side, we'll be fixing this and that. Other shoe. And next video, I will show you how it goes. So keep up, subscribe to me, and be up to date. Peace.